From the main dashboard, go to the Fees section in the menu on the left side. Click on Fees Type. On the Create Fees Type page, enter a name for the fee. Add a brief description for the fee. Click the Save button. You'll see a green notification pop up confirming data saved successfully. Navigate back to the Fees section and this time, click on Manage Fees. On the Manage Fees page, in the Prefix Name field, enter a descriptive name for the fee. Select the classes you want to apply this fee to. If this is a monthly fee, click the checkbox that says Check if this fee is monthly. In the Compulsory Fees section, select the fee type you just created from the drop-down menu. Enter the fee's amount. If you need to add a due date and late charges, click on the calendar icon under Due Date. Select the specific due date from the calendar. You can then add a percentage or fixed amount for late fees. After you have entered all the necessary information, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. A notification will appear, confirming that the fee has been saved successfully.